Left side, heavy traffic. Far left.
Far left, hard left.
All right, let's roll, bro. Heavy traffic, left side. Oh shit, dude! Fucking grazed my arm on that. I'm going up. Okay. Push out a little bit. He's on the left or right? Oh, I see him. I see him. I see him.
How many we got over there?
We got one up.
At least one.
He's right behind the bunker. Go, go, go. Oh, shit. Advance! If you need suppression, let me know. Behind you, Peppers. Give me a reading. Give me a reading.
Left side, red dumpster.
Left side, red dumpster.
Hard right, 10-20.
Hey, I'm popping on your left. Safety.
You're up! Right in the face, you can't miss it!
Yeah! Oh, fucking tip.
There's two of them.
Two left?
Yeah. One left on that, got one left on that helicopter.
Dumpster! Red dumpster, right side! Well, they're shooting diagonally, so there's somebody covering you. Oh shit, he's by the tree. Tree, Peppers, tree! Too much goddamn cover fire. What? Yep. That's what I'm here for, suppressive fire, busted. All about it. Got you, you're out! Yeah, right in the face. You trying to shoot through that hole? I don't think so.
Hey, how many do you see on this side?
Right
here, on my side.
I don't see any right now. I'm kind of blocked by a tree. I know there was one by the red dumpster straight ahead of you. Yeah, and then there's one up in the tower too. And I got somebody on me. I can't see where. Oh, I see him. Watch out for the tree. It's the second tree in the back.
There's one in the helicopter right now.
Is he?
Right
It just moved? Okay.
Wow.
Don't be afraid to step out, bro.
At the same time, you gotta take out those guys on my left.
Give me a second. I'll hit you up. You want to move?
No, hold on. You said there's three on this side?
From what I was shooting at, there's two. One on the bottom, red dumpster, right-hand side. One upstairs in the
Let me
top.
get these guys over here.
Okay.
Hold up.
You good? You moving? Still up in the tower.
There's one in the tower.
Peppers, you still here? Fuck.
Let me see if anyone's in those boxes right there.
Yeah, that's where I'm trying to go.
Hey! Hey! Play it up! Hey!
Come on, let's go, 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 go! Out! Oh, that's the nice one.
Switch sides, guys! Switch sides!
You don't put that on, bud.
Hopefully they try and...
Were you shooting at the chopper, bro?
What?
You were out by the chopper there?
Yeah, I was sitting right there.
Nice hit, man.
Thanks. One of you guys got a nice shot on me.
Yeah.
I hesitated on the
I didn't even know he was there. I pop out because I'm trying to grab suppression for him. And I see him out of the right corner of my eye. I'm like, I'm toast.
I hesitated 1 second. Whoever was on that corner, we had a nice header. Well, I was getting completely hammered from that fort, and then there was a guy on the tree.
We all flanked on the left-hand side. We were holding it down pretty good.